At the far edges of the garden, where the wildflowers had been allowed to grow as they pleased, summer arrived in flashes of color and wings. The old beds were no longer as tidy as they may have once been. Lavender leaned into the daisies. Foxgloves rose beside faded fence posts. Poppies nodded in the heat, and the little blue blossoms scattered themselves through the grass as if the seasons had spilled a handful of sky across the ground. There, among the sun-warmed stems and tangled paths, dragonflies hovered like tiny glass keepsakes, their wings catching the light in brief, shimmering moments. Hummingbirds came and went so quickly they seemed almost imagined, pausing only long enough to sip from the blooms before vanishing into the green. It was the sort of garden that keeps its own memories. A ribbon left at the gate, a pressed flower tucked into a book, a name written carefully on the back of an old photograph, the scent of warm earth after the rain, the hum of the season moving through leaves and petals. Small things perhaps, but small things are often what remain when the day itself has passed. Wings and Wildflowers is part of the Attic Heirloom Collection, created in a soft vintage garden style with aged paper textures, delicate watercolor details, and gently weathered palette of faded greens, blues, mauves, and soft purples, old lace, and the quiet golden touches of vintage. Inside this kit, you'll find journal pages, background papers, and coordinating ephemera designs for memory keeping, junk journals, folios, garden journals, scrapbooks, and handmade paper projects of all kinds. The pages were created to feel like something gathered slowly, a little stack of saved garden memories tucked away between worn papers and quiet afternoons. Wings and Wildflowers is now available in my Etsy shop, and for my EU supporters, there's also a link to Gumroad.